Well, on field, it was a tough task to trouble Syed Kirmani, but off the field, he is an easy target, at least for the thriving land mafia in Bengaluru. Encroaching land in Bengaluru is a very easy task. We have heard of numerous stories where goons have illegally occupied others' land and refused to vacate it despite police warning. But the average Bengalurian always thought that the rich and famous in the city never faced any such problem. The thriving land mafia in Bengaluru seems to be very keen to rubbish this belief. Goons illegally occupy Kirmani's land. Syed Kirmani's brother had bought a site in Chandra Layout in 1997, but the site was left vacant. It is being alleged that goons in the area are trying to occupy the site illegally. In an effort to stop this, a complaint was filed in the Chandra Layout police station. The matter was also brought to the notice of the police commissioner. Not confident that this would suffice, Syed Kirmani arrived at the BBMP office to submit a complaint to the Palike Commissioner Lakshmi Narayan. Syed Kirmani alleges that the area corporator is involved with the goons in occupying the land. He also states that his brother went through a lot of trouble in obtaining kata for the property.
Well, this is my elder brother's site, which was allotted by the Indian Telephone Industries Society, which had purchased the entire huge area for the employees of ITI. Right, we approached the police department also. They said that we need clearance from the corporation. Now all the papers, encumbrance certificate, everything is there. But they have put on fake graves on my brother's site. They have buried some, whether they have buried or not, we don't know, but there are about 4 or 5 graves which have been put onto my brother's site. And as and when we get information, calls, that they are trying to bury, they are going to dig your land, threats are taking place. You put up a fence, we'll bring it down, all sorts of things. It is all related to land grabbing.
He spoke to the Palike mayor, who promised stringent action against the erring employees. He also assured him that action would be taken against those who are illegally trying to occupy the site.
ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವರು ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಕಿರ್ಮಾನಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನೇ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರು BBMPಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಕಿರ್ಮಾನಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಖಂಡಿತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಅವ್ರ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಬ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಂಥವನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಪಟು ಆಗಿದ್ದಂಥ ಕಿರ್ಮಾನಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾಯನ ದೊರಕಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Syed Kirmani and his family have been putting up with the land mafia for a long time now. We are not sure if Palike's assurance will help them at all or if it is a fake assurance like many others. Pramod Shastri, News 9, Bengaluru.